Hello students, in this video we are going to solve 10 most important objective type questions of class 6 NCERT math. These questions are very important and the probability of these questions coming in the exam is very high. So let's start solving these questions. The first one is write the successor of 7889. So successor are numbers which are numbers that comes after the given number. So the number which will come after 7899 will be 7900. So that is the successor of this number. So that's our final answer. We are going to box the answer. And next one is write the Roman numeral for number 99. And in Roman numeral, we write 90 as XC, because C is 100 and XC will be 90, and we have to write 99, so 9 will be XC, X and I. This will be 99 in Roman numeral. So let's box it out. Third question is the smallest prime number is. The smallest prime number is 2. The LCM of 4 and 6. So let's find the LCM of 4 and 6. 4 and 6. So 2 times 2 is 4. 2 times 3 is 6. Now we'll take 2. 2 times 1 is 2. 3 will be as is. And 3 times 1 is 3. So the LCM will be 2 times 2 times 3, which is 12. Next one is the HCF of 12 and 18. Let's find the HCF of 12 and 18. So the factors of 12 are 3 times 2 times 2. And the factors of 18 are 3 times 2 times 3. So HCF will be common factors. Let's find the common factor, which is 3 and 2 here and 3 and 2 here. So the HCF of 12 and 16 will be 3 times 2, which is 6. Next one is write the expanded form of 3058. So the expanded form will be 3000 plus 0 hundreds, so that will be 0 0 0 plus 50 plus 8. So that's 3058. Now next one, seventh one is simplify. 3 times 5 plus 2. So in this one, first we are going to solve the parenthesis. So that will be 3 times 5 plus 2 is 7. So 3 times 7 is 21. So final answer is 21. Number 8 is 7 upon 10 in decimal form. It will be 0.7. Convert 5000 gram into kilogram. So 5000 gram will be, as 1 kilogram is 1000 grams. So 5000 grams will be 5 kilogram. That's our final answer. And last one, which is 10th one, is how many right angles are there in a rectangle. So let's draw a rectangle and find out. This is a rectangle, and let's find out how many right angles are there. This is 1 2 3 and 4. So there are 4 right angles in a rectangle. So that's our final answer. So these were the 10 most important objective type questions for class 6th math exam. I hope this video is helpful to you. If you like the video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more math videos. Thanks for watching.